Hello, I'm back with another simple recipe for your gut health. Can you believe this curd rice is made with millets? And believe me, it tastes so good. Alright then, let's get started. Take some millets and rinse them thoroughly 3 to 4 times in cold water. Now soak them overnight and then transfer them into a pressure cooker with the same amount of boiling water. Now add in your favorite herbs. I've used green cardamom, cumin, black pepper and salt. Now close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on high and 3 whistles on low flame. Your little millets are ready. Now splutter a tablespoon of mustard seeds along with a handful of curry leaves. And now in a bowl, take 1 cup of cooked millets along with 1 cup of soya yogurt. This is homemade soya dahi. Do you need the recipe for this? Now add in some green chili, some onion and lots of pomegranate and mix it thoroughly. Sprinkle some salt, black pepper and a touch of cumin powder. Now give it a lot of love, mix it really nicely and add the spluttered mustard seed, the curry leaves and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Now give it a lot of love, mix it really nicely. Your little millet curd rice is ready. Try this recipe and let me know how you like it.